What's up, guys? This is a day in the life of a clothing brand owner. What's up, guys? If you don't know, if you're not following, my name is Dylan. I am a owner operator of Wretched Clothing. We've been doing it since 2018, but really have come into our own, I think, since like late 21, really 22. So this is us, a typical, I say day, but we got an event tomorrow, and we always get started the night before. So let me show you what we got. Tomorrow we have an event, so we have to load up the truck and get that going. Most of it's already loaded. Got this stuff loaded up, I think, 2 days ago. Yesterday was kind of raining, so we didn't do that. But this is the first event. We're taking the new truck. We have taken this old crusty truck for a while now. I bought this. I had this years before the clothing brand. I just needed something that was like 4-wheel drive, and this thing's all-wheel drive, so worked out. But we finally got something newer and nicer because we're going to be doing a lot of traveling this year. So if you are interested in clothing brands or anything like that, definitely hit that subscribe button. We are going to be doing lots of traveling. This weekend, though, it's just a small little show. So the plan for tomorrow is just a local Harley shop. I know that it's not really going to be profitable or worth my time, more than likely. Might be a little bit of rain tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. But I don't mind doing these local small shows because it keeps me in touch with the community, and it's actual locals and people that I can meet up with, and I like that. Tomorrow is a beard competition, and as far as my features, that's kind of what I'm known for. So we're going to be heading out there. It's a free event. I don't have to pay anything. Nobody has to pay anything to be there. The beard competition's free. I know they'll be giving away some stuff to winners. I don't know what they are. I'm not really worried about that. But we did come out with some beard oil, I think at the beginning of the year. I think right at New Year's. So I was like, well, this lines very well. So we're going to give it a shot. So we're going to get this thing loaded up, and then I'll come back. I did want to touch on a few things for those brand owners out there. We are taking some stuff that hopefully we can get rid of. We've only got a few pair of these Good Luck Don't Die summer gloves. They're $14.99. That's what we're selling them for. They were $30 brand new, but we're clearancing them out. We have only 2X. I think 1 pair of extra large left, possibly 2 pair. I think our display is an extra large. So maybe 2 pairs of those. Our leather gloves, looking to hopefully get rid of some of those, but we have 2 events that these might be good for. We're going to Wisconsin at the end of February, which is going to be really cold, so that would definitely benefit for that. But we're looking to try to liquidate some of our glove inventory because Daytona will be coming out with 2 new, or restocking 1 popular pair and a brand new pair of summer gloves. Also, as I'm recording this, we dropped our new bar bags this week, or today, and these are pretty popular. We sold a decent amount of bar bags before, but in my opinion, these are way better, a lot more water resistant, so hopefully you can move some of those. And then also our windbreakers slash rain jackets. These are cool little packable jackets. There is some chance of rain tomorrow, so maybe even if it does rain a little bit, maybe we'll move some of these jackets. That'd be kind of nice. All right, we're pretty much packed up. Don't have a lot of extra room, so we're pretty much ready to go. I have pretty much got this figured out to where I'm taking the most amount possible. The only thing I'm not doing tomorrow, usually I bring 3 tables to an event like this. I'm only going to bring 2 because I'm not like super worried about this event. I have some things that aren't quite stocked, and this is just kind of a pop-up I'm doing just for the, to be in the community. I don't think we're gonna make much, but we're pretty much packed, ready to go. The only bag or only thing I'll need in the morning will be the money bag and the cooler. So yeah, we'll throw that stuff in the back seat in the morning. I'll probably be on the bike. That's the plan. I got some of my products on it, so it'll be good to, you know, be on the bike, have it there, and I'll get to ride. Because the only downside to doing events and stuff like this is you don't get to ride as much as you used to. That's kind of only the downside, but you do get to meet so many cool people that, you know what, it makes up for it. But yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. Like I said, this is just going to be a small local show, small little pop-up. On the board, I listed it as costing us 50 bucks. That's to account for the gas and food, so it's not really going to cost us much. I have no idea what we're going to make tomorrow. I would not be surprised if we only make 100 bucks. I feel like it would be killer, awesome, best case scenario to make like 400. I mean, I'm not expecting much, but you know what? It is what it is. We're going to have a good time. Let's do this. See you in the morning. All right, it's the next morning. I'm going to hop on the bike. The girls are already in the truck. We're going to go get some coffee and breakfast. We'll see you there. All right, we're finally here. Got all set up. Breakfast situation was kind of fucked. So the line was super long. The person in front of me ordered a bunch of shit. We just got it to go. I scarfed down a biscuit real quick, hopped on the bike, and took off. But let me show you what we got. We got our booth all set up, ready to go. We got the beard competition later. We're pretty much ready to go. Don't expect to see a whole lot going on today. That's kind of the nature of the beast. I knew this show was probably going to be pretty small. We did sell one jacket already, so technically we've broke even for the day. So I think the girls went to go get some food. Definitely hungry. Didn't get much of a breakfast, but yep, we're just kind of hanging out, seeing what's going on, and we'll keep you posted. But this is the day in the life of a vendor. We usually sit around and hang out.
All right, real quick before we kick it off, I'm going to give all the competitors a quick idea of how you're going to get on the stage, the route you're going to take. All right, come on up, Dylan. Feel free to work those judges, show them what you got. How you doing, Dylan? Where are you coming out from?
Henderson.
Henderson, that's right, Henderson. How long you lived in Henderson?
I'm just outside of it, but nobody knows where Warrenton is.
Oh yeah, Warrenton, right down the road. Take a right.
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle?
Yeah.
Were you born and raised there?
Nah, I was actually born in Michigan.
Okay. So you're a happy man right now. Wolverines?
Well, I'm a Green Bay fan, but you know, we made it further than I thought.
So you're not pulling for the line?
Oh, I am now.
I can appreciate that. That's who I'm pulling for, but I'm not holding my breath. We appreciate you coming out. Yes, sir.
All right, Dylan.
Second place in the category. Congratulations, Dylan. Yes, ma'am. Picture time.
All right, so everything's done. We got second place out of 2 people, so last, second, whatever. But we are breaking everything down. It's time to go. We'll go over everything a little later, but yeah, it's looking like it could possibly rain later, which I already knew, but not the greatest day, but got to hang out with some great people. I know some of the locals here, they come out, hang out, know some people at the dealership, so that was great. But let's get this broke down and get out of here. Now that the show's over, we got to go to Walmart for I have no idea why, and then I got to take the workers to dinner. All right, started raining. Made it to dinner. We are at the Real McCoys in Wake Forest. I'm a little wet. We're gonna go in here and eat. All right, we've already kind of like devoured our food, but got a little food. I got the Philly loaded cheese fries. We got chicken gnocchi, which is really good, and then like a Cajun chicken pasta, which is really good. It's a little spicy. But all this stuff's really good, you know. You got to feed the employees. So guys, so we made it home last night. Pouring terrible rain. I got home completely soaked. Was not prepared. I'm glad I had my jacket on. But yeah, we were shivering. My jeans and shoes got wet real fast. Couldn't see much going home because I still had the dark shield on. But we made it. Got a hot shower. Feeling much better. The show went, you know, as to be expected. We had a good time. Got to meet up with friends. I think we did about $265, which for a normal show, that's not good. But these little pop-up shops, I mean, whatever I can get, I'm happy with because I'm not expecting much. But as far as the business goes, you really have to look at your time versus what you make. And this was a little different because when you get to hang out with different friends and different people and you get to be in your community, there's a lot more than just money. But as far as like a day in the life, you know, you do have to think about that as a brand owner if you're watching this as a clothing brand owner. And if you are, comment down below. But yep, that's a day in the life. We're going to turn this off. And then we have to get everything shipped out that was ordered through the weekend because today is Sunday. We got to get it shipped out Monday morning because I like to ship out things as quickly as I can. Hopefully next day shipping on pretty much everything. But if you're not subscribed, please do so. Hit that like button. And as always, keep it wretched.